Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Donnie back at you. Today I just want to talk about something different. Business. You know, tile installation, bathroom model, all the techniques and all that whatnot. It's great, but I just want to talk about business and in general, well, in particular, my business. So this year, 2023, has probably been my most difficult year since 2018. 2018 was worse than this year, but this year is bad. I've talked to many contractors in my area, all types of contractors in the construction field. There's a slowdown going on. You know, some guys have almost no work, some have little, some are slowing down. From my experience this year, it's been very difficult. For example, I've only had like a handful of jobs. Let me put it this way. I've had a lot of downtime, a lot of time off, which is not good. I mean, it gives me the time to make more content like this for you guys. You know, I don't make a living here from YouTube. I make a living from doing the installation. I work in the field. I put the tile in the bathrooms. I put the drywall up. I do a little demo. I do it all. So I need to have work to pay the bills, to support the family and keep the business running. So it's been difficult. Leads are definitely way down. If I look at my QuickBooks, obviously the number is extremely way down compared to 2021, 2022. It's been on a steady rise since kind of COVID happened. I don't know if COVID was a fluke for most of the construction industry in general, because most guys like myself were busier and getting busier, you know, since COVID. Towards the end of 2022, and this entire year, just the amount of leads. I mean, I've only had more content and more reviews on my Google throughout the year. It's only more information out there for people to find me and see if I'm a right fit for them, and having all my pricing on my website, at least most of it, pricing videos, what I'm about, everything about the company, pretty much put it all out there. Of course, there's always more I can do, more things I could do better, but overall it's been a really tough year. Basically, like the leads, amount of leads, like for example 2022, I actually look at my CRM. Give me a second. Okay, I took a look at my CRM for 2022. I had a total of 174 leads in this year, and I'm recording this in about mid-November right now. I have right now at the moment I have 113, so it's definitely down. It's not a tremendous cut now that I've done the numbers, but just less people are buying. So it's been a difficult year. I don't know where things are gonna head. I'm hoping to keep the doors open, but I have to be realistic. I have a family and 2 kids. But that said, you know, I am putting this video out on YouTube for you to see and many more people. So I'm considering doing, if it's feasible for myself and the other parties involved, is if you're watching this, you need work done, and I'm in New Jersey, I'm in central New Jersey. If you're out of state, I'm willing to start traveling to jobs. I have a big truck, a utility truck. I can put all my tools in there and be able to go do jobs for a week at a time, or maybe a couple weeks at a time, whatever it is. But if you have a project and you've been watching my videos for years, you're just even seeing this now and you want me to come do your project, I'm willing to help you out. It'll work out in both our favors. I'm willing to do the travel. So if you have a project and you want me to come help you, obviously, I have expenses that have to go with it, and I still have to make a living. So I'm willing to start traveling for projects to do jobs. That's kind of like where I'm at in the position I'm at, because, you know, I've been doing this my entire life since '99. Been in business now for 2024 will be my 9th year, and everything's been on the up. I mean, 2018 was on the down, this year's on the down. And it's hard to get through those times because, you know, I'm pretty decent with money. I put money back, but it's not going to last forever. So that's kind of where I'm at. A lot of guys in the industry, again, you know, everything is slower, so it's been difficult. But what else can I go over? One other thing I've done to try to get more projects is just reduce my pricing, and I only can reduce it so far and still be able to cover my overhead. So that's been in battle, because I've done some jobs this year at a lower rate, and once I get through them and I pay all my bills, I have almost nothing left over to survive off of. So that's been difficult. So I get cut my rates so low all the time of having work and not having work. So that's been my kind of like situation, and I've been in this business my entire life. Construction in general is you're never busy all the time. I don't care who you are or where you're at, but it gets slow from time to time. But you know, the good times help you get through the bad times. But this year has just been very difficult, and my completely straightforward, honest opinion of getting through the hard times, it's very difficult because you don't know what's going to happen. Now everyone says everything works out in the end. Well, it's easy, you know, to say that, but when you're in the moment and you don't know what's going to happen moving forward, it's very, very difficult to keep positive mindset and keep moving forward with everything. So that's kind of what I wanted to go over today, is where I'm at in my business, and if you need my help or you can help me, whatever it is, it works out in both our favor. So figure I'd share this today. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, me just talking about things in the industry or in general, whatever it is, please leave it in the comment section below. I thank you for tuning in. Donnie D signing off.